Hey, what's up guys? We're here at White Tank Mountain Regional Park on the Waterfall Trail. Now after a really good rainstorm, this is actually a waterfall right back here. It comes down, flows, hits this, pools up, and then eventually runs down the wash along the trail, which is about a mile. It's really nice. And this whole video is shot in VR180, which means you can take your phone and you can look around, look down, look to the right, look to the left, or if you're on a computer, take your mouse and actually click right on this video, click right on my face, and you can drag it around and look all around 180 degrees. So check it out and enjoy.